Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Kynthei University, Meghalaya.
Pulit ke West Kasius District register dengan Moto case hadian bala Pynphriang yang kawai ke Durkhih halo ke Shah thap bat Shah Kyrdem kawai ke Kynthei ke bala arpu ars nam karta hasurok Nongston bypass ke bahap apo National Highway 44E haka arpu pratarik ujel liau araja pun rio. Hau kurwo bala pha Lieutenant of Police ke West Kasius District haka arpu khandai tarik ujel liau aja pun rio ya kani ke jingja la register case Nongston Police Station hapo kilai teli ki kendon jong ka BNS pat mentai Pulit dang pelong ki jing to aket ke babnya halo kan ki jingja WSP la pentip bah ka jing to aket ki Pulit kilakem yu bala keno tong khti bala tip kerteng kom fast ding san wanyang bala apply stem karta ubasa akasnong riu mau kadiang naka jingrap jing dokhat ka Village Defence Party Coordination Association Nongston bagi dokhat jong ka Village Defence Party jong kasnong mau kadiang la pentip ba ufas ding san wanyang udi utanga barim jong ka Kynthei ba sa Shuh bakini ki sijur kilai klat manta lasis nam steng ki Pulit kila maham ting ekipat ba bakim dai Shuh bandang Pynphriang hakiran san social media namar kalongkum ka jing penkhen ki kendon jong ka BNS ba ki Information Technology Act la dalap ikinu berang Pynphriang ki berang ya sam bag berang pha ya ki Durkhih halo kan ki jingja kin ngat ki kendon an bating Bat la dadan ki balik kumta ki dibanweng ne pendam no mardor. Ki Pulit kila ongru baya ka durjong kala not. De banyada om banthat ka durjong ka bat ki bayele persya ken ngat aki kendon jong ka an. Ki Pulit kila kenturu iki pat ba pakem de satya ban Pynphriang yakinu ki Durkhih krem da pensisha bat ongru baka jing Pynphriang ki Durkhih kata mat yong iki lanon bakala aru ban pendeko i jing to oken. Shuh ki Pulit kila kentu yakinu ki badan jing tip halo kan ki jingja baken phone cha ka police control room hau number khandai lai hundri sau khandai pra sau khandai lani hau number iwe ar ba ya ka kerteng jong kinong a jing tip on saburi no.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.